to withdraw Astar coin from Astar dashboard to Kucoin exchange. Open your Astar dashboard. Once it is already open, click on Transfer button. It will prompt you to this page wherein you need to enter your Astar address from Kucoin. Now open your Kucoin app account. Click on the Asset tab and then click on Deposit button. Type Astar on the search bar. Then click on Astar coin at the bottom. Here, just click on Copy Address. Now go back to your Astar dashboard, paste your Astar address from Kucoin here. Then type the exact amount that you would like to withdraw. Then click on the Confirm button. After you have confirmed and enter your Polkadot.js password, you will see a prompt with the transaction ID.
A few moments later.
And after a few minutes later, it has already arrived from my Kucoin account. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.